Hello viewers, this is Azharul once again. Welcome to the new tutorial video. In our previous video, we discussed about providing PDF to Excel or Word conversion services to clients. So in today's video, I am going to cover the proper way to fill up all necessary information to create a stunning Fiverr profile. Without further ado, let's begin. To create a new profile to sell any service, we have to click on Become a Seller button. In this page, you will see some recommendation of services other people are providing on Fiverr. But as we are going to create a profile to provide data entry and file conversion services, we have to click on this Become a Seller button. Now, from this pop-up, you can use your Facebook account to register with Fiverr. In this case, your Facebook profile name have to be accurate. With the second option written, continue with Google, you can integrate your logged in Gmail account to create your Fiverr profile. But for this demo account and tutorial purpose, I am going to use the manual way to create the profile. I am going to enter the demo email address here in this field and then clicking on continue button. In this page, we have to choose a Fiverr username which will be used to log in to Fiverr account, or it will show our presence on Fiverr, and a password which will have to be minimum 8 characters with lowercase, uppercase and number included. I am typing a username ANA_ASPASIYA. Okay. And here in this field, writing the password which has lowercase, uppercase and the number. Well, some of you might going to be a little confused with the term. So here are the example of uppercase V, lowercase v and the numbers. You have to have total 8 characters in password. Now it's time to click on join button. So Fiverr sent us an email and we have to activate the email address. I have just activated the account, as you can see the message here. So now from this page we have 3 steps to complete to have a nice profile. So I'm going to follow all the instructions here. In this page we have to provide our personal information. In description field, we have to provide a bit information about ourselves, skills and the services we are going to provide. So this is an important section. Clients will read this section most of the time to learn about us. Okay, so now we have to select the language we know and the fluency level. Click on add. Now we have profile picture. This is another important section to take care to build up a stunning profile. It's always best to use a friendly looking smiley picture of yourself. I have found a nice image from online to use for this demo profile and now going to upload it here. Now clicking on continue to proceed to the next page. Here we have to provide our personal info. In this page we have to select our skills, experience levels and availability. In availability selection, you can choose part-time or full-time option based on your time schedules. I am choosing full-time. From the drop-down of I can work button, you can select how many hours you can work each week on Fiverr. I am choosing more than 30 hours in this case. From I would love to earn option, obviously more than 1000 USD per month. Everyone wants more. Now I have to specify the skills in this section. As I am creating this profile to do data entry and file conversion service, I am going to choose data entry experience level intermediate. Then we can add more relevant skills from the suggestions. I am adding more skills and expertise levels now below. So I have added relevant skills. Please take a closer look for better understanding. Now it's time to provide our educational information. Although it's a demo profile, I am going to add mine to make it easier. Certification. If you have any certificate, you can add them. It could be any relevant certificate, maybe IELTS or certificate from any course you took recently that is relevant to your service. Well, I don't have any, so I'm skipping and clicking on continue. So now here we are in the third step, linking social media and professional profiles. This is to build trust and to make your profile stand out. You can associate your Facebook, Google or LinkedIn profile. If you have presence on Drive or Stack Overflow, you can connect them as well. The more you integrate, the more your profile strength. As I don't have much social presence with the email, I am going to add only Google profile. Now it's time to click on continue and create your first gig. So basically the creation steps are completed and now we have a Fiverr profile. We'll cover up a new video about creating SEO friendly gig soon, but let's take a look on our profile, and if we find anything to change or addable, we'll do. So here is our profile just created. Let's add some info here, and here are some information to select. I am choosing freelancer and this option is not related, and click on save. So it's saved. So now we are all ready to create a new gig to start selling. So we are in a conclusion of this video. Let us know if you have any question, if you want me to upload a video regarding a particular info, and most importantly, your honest feedback in the comment section below. Hope to see you in the next video. Have good times.